everyone, welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about nail design. I'll show you how to create the negative space nail design. There are many ways to create this look. Today, I'll be showing you the first method. Don't forget to check out my nail art playlist. It is a collection of all my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must watch for everyone. This is how my nails look. It is all prepped and ready for the nail polish. You can check out my salon style manicure at home video to prep your nails as I have done here. And view this playlist for nail shaping. I start by taking some of this tape. The length should be long enough to cover my nail. Next, I place the tape on the palm of my hand. I do this twice. And I'm doing this to remove some of the glue, or you can say some of the strength from the tape. The next step is for me to place the tape on my nail. This part looks easy, but it will vary depending on your nail. If your nail is very curved and it does not have a smooth surface, you will really need to work on the tape. Make sure the edge is not lifted or has any gaps. I'm focusing on the side closer to the edge because that is where I'm going to apply the color. Please save this playlist of mine to see all the different negative space manicure styles that I'll post in the future. I apply my nail polish color. Since I'm applying only a small part of the nail, I take very less amount of nail polish on the brush. I remove the tape as soon as I finish. I don't wait for the nail polish to dry. Now I again wait for this to dry. Remember that it depends on the nail polish and also the climate for time of drying. And I'm done with creating my negative effect. After this dries up completely, you can apply a top coat to seal your work. But I do not want to, so I just left it bare. To make your nail art last longer, please do try some of my tips and tricks. And don't forget to try this nail art design using different colors. If you're having trouble in deciding on color or even color combos, then check out my video called How to Choose a Color. If you're interested in nail designs, then save this playlist in your library and be notified when I add my next video. Pros and cons of this method. Pro: you don't need any fancy tools, nail guides, or anything else. As for nail polish, just one shade is enough. The amount of polish used to create the negative space look is also very minimal. Con: need patience and time to get those sharp edges. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!